Our next letter is Daad. 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 Da, da, da. The three forms of the Daad are Daad at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Very similar to the Sod, isn't it? The only difference is there's a dot up top. So a Sod with a dot is a Daad. Da, da, da. Not sa, da, da, da. Now let's take a look at some examples. So over here, we have the Daad at the beginning of a word with ضفدع, 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 and it means frog. And then in the middle, أخضر, 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 green. Look at the way that it looks. And then finally at the end, بيض, بيض, بيض at the end of the word. Very similar rules to the sa, isn't it? All right. So again, remember that the Daad is basically the Sod, but with a dot up top. All right. Remember that, and you will be able to tackle this. And just keep practicing the sound. Da, 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 da.